off. I'm off. Okay, can I? No.
I'm
dying.
No,
Look at my leg.
I can't let you go. I'm dying.
Ouch, Haley, get off.
Don't let her off. You should never let her go.
I was like this. Look. You were sitting on this part. I was like,
John, are you still on the phone? Are you dead? I can see your eyes.
I love the smell of your laundry.
No.
I'm zoomed in on your eyes. It looks funny. No, wait, I see like a nail.
What detergent do you use?
Lavender.
Lavender. I use two things.